Do your guests always ask, "What's your Wi Fi password?" Instead of reading out a long password, Android has a much smarter hidden feature. Here's how: open settings, tap connections, tap Wi Fi. Tap the settings wheel icon next to connected Wi Fi. Now, tap QR code appears on the bottom screen. Your phone may ask for fingerprint, PIN pattern. Verify your identity. Now you can see the QR code appears. Ask your friend to open their phone camera, point it at your QR code, tap Join Network. They are connected instantly, no password needed. This hidden Android feature makes sharing Wi-Fi faster and much more secure. Subscribe for more hidden Android tricks.